Hello, YouTube. Sammy here from Sammy's Workshops. In June of 2022, I took a trip from Arizona to Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. On the way home, I traveled through eastern Oklahoma, and as I do when crossing railroad tracks, I looked both ways. Imagine my surprise to see a headlight not far from the crossing in the little town of Adair, Oklahoma. A quick left turn into a gravel parking lot, and I was right at trackside. A short wait of about 20 minutes, and the train began to move. My day's travel ended a few miles further down the road in Checotah, Oklahoma, still along the Missouri, Kansas, Texas, or Katy railroad tracks that I'd followed from Adair on down. MKT built this line in the years of 1872 to 1873, and the next morning I found this lovely gem of a depot still standing. It is a museum now. The city is named for Samuel Checotah, the first elected chief of the Creek tribe after the Civil War. Somewhere later on, his name got misspelled to Checotah, which we see today. The depot has a museum inside, and I'll put a link to their website in the description down below. Next time through here, I will definitely make time to stop. You should too. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Watch another video like the one coming up here. I did choose it just for you. If you'd like to support the channel, there are several ways to do so. Again, there will be links in the description down below. Leave me a comment as well. I love to hear from you. Till next time, see ya!